Good evening, everyone. Just we can wait for a few minutes, then we can start today's session. Okay, so are you all ready? Can we start now? Okay, so we can start now. Okay, so just a quick revision from yesterday's session. What we did yesterday. Yesterday we have worked to implement the background music. Okay, so we have seen how to use the Pygame mixer module in Pygame, and we will be using that to play the background music in the game. And we also worked on to implement the collision function. Okay, so we saw that how we can say that the snake eats the apple, and in other words we can say that there's a collision between the snake and the apple. We implemented this both thing, and similarly we also updated this def play function to make the changes to the length of the snake and also to the score whenever the snake hits the apple. Okay, so let's move forward now. So today we'll be looking over, because these are, we will be just completing this thing first because we were working on this yesterday, the background music. After that we will be working over the game over logic today. Okay, so once we have done with this, then this is a simple thing that won't take more than 5 to 10 minutes. Then we'll complete change the background image. Okay, so let's move forward now. So I have the background music file downloaded over here. Just wait for a few minutes until I will copy this downloaded file from here, the other file. And just this background music filing getting downloaded, just wait for a few seconds. And after that we will have all the files ready in the .wav format, because I told you yesterday that the Pygame doesn't support the .mp3 format or .mp4 format. So to use music under the Pygame, we need to convert the mp3 to .wav format. Okay, okay, the length of my background music is just few seconds, but here you can see that I have just, I'll show you, just give me a moment. Just I let me copy this code, sorry, copy this song. Okay, so we have all the resources now, so let's move forward. Okay, so let's just first update the background music. So the background music file name is resources slash bg music one dot wf. Okay, and so whenever there's a crash, my length of the background music is just few seconds. Okay, but I have just used here music dot play dot minus 1 to 0, so the music will be completely played in loop. Okay, so let me check once this by implementing this over here. Just I will uncomment the code. Okay, so here I have called the background music function self.play background music, and I've implemented the same function over here. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने background music function लिखा हुआ है Python में, which is used to play the background music in the game. Okay, so and we have called this function inside the play. So I hope that background music will work, and we'll update this sound using ding. So whenever the snake hits the apple, the ding music will be played. So dot ding dot. Any doubt till here? So first let me run this code. Okay, so I hope this will work now. Okay, so it's working. The background music is being played, and whenever I just hit this apple, the ding sound is being played. Okay, so just one moment. Okay, yeah, so it's working fine now. So any doubt till here? Let me know that any doubt till here. So have you got how to use the Pygame sound module if you wanna add the music in the game? So here you can see just I have defined the play background music function which I will use to play the background music, and whenever the snake eats the apple I will play this song, the ding wave. Okay, so it's completely working here too. So whenever the background music is playing while I'm playing the game, and when the snake eats the apple, the ding sound is being played. ठीक है, यहाँ तक कोई डाउट है क्या किसी को? Any students have any doubt till here? So we can move forward now to implement the game over logic. Okay. So game game over हो जाएगा. So what will be the changes when the game will be over? So what will be the changes in the game? Let me know that please. Uh, yeah. When the game will be over or we hit quit button to end the game. So what will be the changes? What will be the changes in the game? Just thinking simple term. Okay, जब आप लोग कोई गेम खेलते हो, ठीक है, and whenever the game gets end or the game is over, so what's the changes in the game? Just let me know that. Anyone there? Okay, so if you are not able to think, I will let you know in here. Hello, Harshit, I think you have wrote the wrong file and that's why it's showing the error. Can you check your file name once? I think you have wrote the wrong file name. That's why it's showing the error to you. Because I don't think that there's any error. Check the function once what you wrote, and when you have called this function, is there any issue with this function, play background music? Because the error seems that you haven't, maybe you don't have that .wb file name, okay, or there's any issue in the location of the file. Just have a look over that. I hope that will fix the issue. Okay, so the change, what will be the changes in the game when the game will get over? So in general term, what will be the changes? The first changes will be that the score will be reset to 0. Okay, so this will be the first change. Am I right? When the game will get over, so this will be the first change. The score of the player will be, I mean, the score will be reset to 0, because when the new player starts the game, it should start with 0. Okay. And let me know what are the other changes when the game will get over. Can you think of some more changes? Just think in simple terms, guys. You have played any game, what happens when the game gets over? That we are gonna implement that right now. Yeah, snake size resets to default. Yeah, this will be the second changes. You're right. Second changes, snake size resets. Okay. Any more changes you can think of? Because we are going to implement all these changes in the game logic. I mean, sorry, the game over logic. Or when the someone quits the game. The third changes will be the score will be displayed over the screen. Okay. And I think these are all the changes. I hope so. So let's move forward implementing that. Okay. Okay, so we will first implement the first thing. When the game gets over, we need to reset the game. So in which class we are gonna implement that? Let me know. These changes of the game over logic, in which class are we going to implement that? Either in snake class or in game class or in the apple class? In which class we will implement that? I think these are the basic questions. Now you should answer this. In which class we should implement the game over logic? Either in game class or in the apple class or in the snake class? Yeah. Any comments?
Okay, game class, yeah, it's correct. Why game class? Why game class? Any specific reason why not in the Apple class or the Snake class? Why you wanna implement the game over logic in the game class? Or we can also create a new class for implementing the game over logic. Why we will implement that in the game class? Yeah. Yes. Any comments? Okay, so as I told you in the when I took the classes and object session, I told you all the properties and the objects related to the class will remain under that class. So that's a good way to write a program. So game over logic, तो ये कौन से I mean किस चीज का part है? Game का part है. So that's the reason why we wanna write the methods of the game over logic inside the game class. Okay, so let's move forward. So first I will write the function reset to reset the game when the game is over. Okay, so let's write the reset function there. Reset self. So to reset the game, what I will do, I will just call the snake class and the apple class to its initial state. Okay, so I will just call that self dot snake equal to snake of self dot self. Sorry, it will be apple. We are gonna call that. Okay, and we also need to pass the argument to the initial size of the string. Let it be 5, what we have used before. Okay. So जब भी हम लोग जैसे यहाँ पे जब हम लोग snake game class जो call किए हुए थे, when we define the game class and wrote the init method, then what we wrote that we have instantiated the snake class and the apple class to all of its initial state. Okay. So when we reset the game, so we want the snake and apple class to move to its initial state. So that's why we wrote this class over here. This function over here, reset, which will help to get the game in the initial state. The state where the user starts playing the game. Okay. So I hope there's no error till now. Let's try running this once. Okay. So for now it's good. Okay. So this is the first thing we implemented. Now let's write the function to implement the game over logic. So just I will write a function there. So when the game will be over, we need to display the game over screen. Okay. So for that, if we want to write anything, we are gonna use the pygame font module. Because यहाँ पे देखो हम लोग को जब ये स्कोर डिस्प्ले करना था यहाँ पे, ठीक है, तो हमने ये यूज किया था ना, we initiated the font and then we rendered the text over the screen. So similarly for the game over also we are going to do the same. So pygame dot font What's this? Font. Let's choose the font as Arial and it's as 30. The size, okay. If you want the font to be bold, those let's make this boolean also as true. Okay. So yeah, okay. Now let's write render the text over the screen. Font dot render. We will write the game is over and we will display the final score of the player. So your score is so what's the score? What's the length of the snake? That will be the score. See here for the score also we did the same here we are going to do here. Okay. And we are going to specify the okay. Now let's if you want to display anything then what we are gonna use blade. So self dot blade. Sorry. And then we are display the line 1 of the game over score and we'll specify this. Okay. And first thing we displayed this and then we also display the message to play the game press the enter key. Okay. So let's name this as line 2 equal to font dot render. To exit press escape. Okay, and let's display this over here. So self dot let's display this bit lower. Okay, so let me this. Okay, and we will just also music. And we'll just refresh the screen. Okay, display dot fill. So we have implemented the game over screen. So any doubt in this? I think this is quite easy. Any doubt in this? We implemented the game over screen. Okay. So any doubt anyone have in this? Any doubt in game over screen? So can we move forward now? Let me try just running this code and see if there's any error. I will fix here only. I think still there's no error. Everything is working awesome. Okay. So we have implemented the show game over function and the reset function. So here I mean the play logic of the game. So let's use this over here. Okay. So here first I will implement. Okay. So it'll be in this play. We have implemented the walk, draw, display, score. Okay. And play background music. So let's implement the scenario when the snake is eating the apple. Okay. Snake eating the apple. Let's implement this first under the play. ये थोड़ा अच्छे से ध्यान देना क्योंकि यहीं पे जो गेम लॉजिक है here we are going to implement the main game logic क्योंकि just at the above implemented the simple function to reset the game and to display the game over screen. Okay. So I will take a for loop for I in range self dot snake dot then if there's a collision. Okay, so I will check if there's a collision. We need to also pass the in the collision function the x and y coordinate of the snake and the apple. So self dot snake dot x of 0 dot y of 0 and let's pass the coordinates of apple to self dot apple dot x of 0 and self dot apple dot y of 0. Okay, so if there is a collision then I will play the crash sound over here. So let's call the play sound function and pass the value to play the crash sound. So it means that there's a I mean there's a cross and the collision is going to happen. So crash and self dot play sound crash and then we will raise. So this raise is used in between whenever we want to raise anything. I mean raise any error or implement any sort of logic that will only works when the condition is fulfilled. Then we use this raise keyword for that. Okay. So we have checked if there's a self collision in the snake, then we'll just play the crash sound and just raise collision occurred. So okay. So till here it's okay. Here we are checking the Here we are checking the self collision. So here self collision between snake. So here we'll pass the other coordinates of the snake itself, not of the apple. Snake dot x of I snake. ओके यहाँ पे हम लोग बेसिकली क्या कर रहे हैं फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई थिंक दिस विल वर्क Okay, we have implemented the halfway, that's why it's not working, no problem. Okay, here we need to implement the elif, else, elif, press. Okay, let's try running this now. Collision occurred. So we haven't completed the game over logic, so that's why the game is not running right now. Okay. So just I got the collision occurred, I mean the crash sound over here. Okay. So let's try implementing further it. This is for the in the play we wrote the function not self collision. So this was the I mean this self collision self snake. Okay. So we have wrote the so गेम ओवर कब कब होगा जब स्नेक खुद से कोलाइड कर जाए या तो स्नेक बाउंड्री को हिट कर जाए दो कंडीशन में so we wrote the first condition when the snake is colliding with itself. Now let's write the second thing when snake hits the boundaries of the game window. Okay, so let's write this. So I will say if not so here see for checking the boundaries we will consider the height and width of the boundary. So what's the height and width? 1000 upon 800. So we will be using the same over here too. Okay. So yeah, 1000 and the y coordinate. This is for the x coordinate. I mean the height and self dot. So this is the condition for the when the snake hits the boundary. So did you understood those these condition why I have used less than equal to 1000 and less than equal to 800? Okay. Have you understood this condition? I mean the first condition I wrote when the game will be over. First when the snake will collide with itself and second when the snake will hit the boundaries. Okay. So did you understood the first one that I wrote? Here when I have wrote yesterday the function collision, I told you that the x and y coordinate of the snake and the apple. Sorry. पर जब स्नेक खुद से कोलाइड करने वाला है ठीक है तो हम लोग वहां पे स्नेक का ही कोऑर्डिनेट कंसीडर करेंगे ना कॉलिजन चेक करने नॉट ऑफ एप्पल सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव पास्ड द सेल्फ डॉट स्नेक डॉट एक्स ऑफ आई वो जो करेंट आई मीन स्नेक का पोजीशन है ठीक है उसका एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट एंड करेंट जो स्नेक का वाई कोऑर्डिनेट है वो हमने पास किया to check whether there is a self collision not between the snake. Okay, So let's complete this function to check when snake hits the boundaries. Okay, so self dot snake hits the boundaries. What we'll do now, अगर बाउंड्रीज हिट करे स्नेक तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, अगेन विल प्ले self dot play sound crash, and I will raise the message as snake hits the boundary. So let me know if you have any doubt in this two condition. Any doubt over here? See, let's be clear. Don't get confused. This was when snake eats the apple. Let me just write this above this. So this was when snake eats the apple. Okay. This condition is for snake colliding with itself, and this is for the snake hits the boundaries of the game window. So any doubt in these three conditions? I think these are all clear to you. Yeah, Rishabh will be working tomorrow to insert the background image on in the the game window. Okay. Today we are working on the game logic. So if time permits, we'll complete this or we'll continue this further tomorrow, because this is an important logic of the game. Okay. So you need to understand this in a better way. It's not like just I'm gonna implement and you don't understand anything. So that's of no use. So let me know if you have any doubt till here. So मुझे ये बताओ हमने क्या क्या किया for implementing the game logic now. What we did here right now in today's session. See, we have done this. We have implemented the reset. Okay. So when the game will be reset, the snake size will also be reset automatically. Okay. And we also implemented the game over screen. Under this part, we have covered this to implement, show the score. Game over screen display score. And what we did more, condition to check when the snake collides. So these are the four things we implemented right now under the game over logic. So you have any doubt in this four? Any doubts? If you have any doubt, you can ask, not a problem. Tomorrow this game will be completed, and on 5th you can have any doubt over the Python or in the game. If you have any doubts, okay, if you have any doubt in any portion of the code, or you want any Python concept to repeat, I can repeat that in the final day, on the final day. So let me know if you have any doubt till here. So only I am getting one reply. What about others? So let me see if this is still working. No, collision occurred. I got a raise that collision occurred. So I haven't completed the game over logic. So that's why I'm getting this error. The competition for coding. So I'm not sure what about the competition of coding. You can ask over the Facebook page. Okay. So when it will take place. अब देखो हम लोग एक बार ये इम्प्लीमेंट कर चुके हैं ना, तो अब अभी हम लोग को गेम ओवर लॉजिक में कुछ भी अब नहीं बचा है। हम लोग वो जो हाफ कोर्सेस वी विल सी टुमारो, बट फॉर नाउ विल जस्ट ब्रीफ यू अबाउट दैट व्हाट विल बी डूइंग टुमारो। व्हेन see over here when we are playing the game, okay, so the game is running. See, so when the game will get over in between the running phase, okay, so when the game will get over, when the escape button is pressed or any of these two conditions true, just here we will call that reset function and the game over logic, I mean the display game over screen over here, okay, and we will just reset the game. So that's only the part left. Just I will make sure tomorrow you understand that, and after that I think the complete game will be completed. And one thing more we are left to implement in the game is the add the background image. Okay, so this is completed. Background music. We are working on the game over logic. So this is 70% done. You can say that 70% done, and left with this. So left. So we will complete the next 30% of the game over logic tomorrow, and we'll also implement the background image. Okay. Anything left? I don't think anything else is left in this game. So there are two things left, and once we have implemented that, the game will get completed. So any doubt do you have in today's session before we end the today's session? Okay, you want the paste. Just let me share the Facebook link with you all, so you can check it once if you are getting any error. Okay, you will get the paste pin link over the comments. Okay. Yeah. Just I will wait until you get the paste pin link over the comments. After that, we can end the session. Okay. So let me just check that once. Okay, so the paste pin link has been shared. You can have a look and check it once if you are getting any error from there. Okay. So we can end today's session. Let's meet tomorrow and let's complete this game tomorrow. Okay. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.